Welcome to my channel. It's me. Have you ever wondered why flowers need sunlight to grow or why they open up during the day? Well, today we going to uncover the secrets of flowers and learn all about their amazing journey from buds to blooms. So let's dive in and explore the hidden journey of flowers. First off, let's talk about why flowers need sunlight. You know how we humans need sunlight to survive? Well, flowers are no different. They need sunlight for two super important reasons. Number one, they need light for photosynthesis. You see, flowers are like little factories that make their own food. They use a process called photosynthesis, which is like a fancy way of saying they use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make their own sugar for food. This is just like how plants make their food. And guess what? Flowers are actually part of a plant, specifically the reproductive part. So they also need sunlight to make their food. Without enough sunlight, flowers won't have the energy they need to grow, and they might even start to die. That's why you often see wilting or pale flowers on plants that don't get enough light. It's like they're crying out for some sunshine. The second reason why flowers need sunlight is to help them grow strong and healthy. Just like how exercise makes us grow up with strong bones and muscles, sunlight helps flowers develop sturdy stems and leaves. It's like their version of a workout routine. But there's a cool bonus to this. When flowers soak up all that sunlight, it also helps keep pests and diseases away. You see, some pests and diseases don't like hanging around in sunny spots because the UV rays from the sun can actually kill them. So when your flowers are getting plenty of sunlight, it's like they have their own natural defense system against those pesky villains. Pretty neat, huh? Now that you know how important sunlight is for flowers, let us take a closer look at the incredible journey of a flower from a tiny bud to a beautiful bloom. Step 1. The birth of a bud. All flowers start out as tiny little buds tucked away on a plant. Inside these buds are all the parts that will eventually turn into a gorgeous flower. There's the sepals, which are like the flower's green helmet, protecting it while it's still growing. Then there's the petals, which will soon unfurl into all those vibrant colors we love so much. And in the middle is the reproductive part of the flower, which will make seeds to grow more flowers in the future. The bud stays tightly closed until it's ready to open up, kind of like how we snuggle up tight in our cozy beds at night until it is time to start our exciting days. Step 2. Getting ready to bloom. Before a flower can open up, it needs to get ready. The flower's internal clock, which controls when it opens and closes, starts ticking. This clock is super cool because it helps the flower know when it is time to wake up and soak up some sunlight. At the same time, hormones or chemical messengers start traveling through the flower bud, telling all the parts to stretch and grow. It's like a team effort as the sepals, petals, and reproductive parts work together to get ready for their grand debut. As the flower prepares to bloom, the sepals start to separate, allowing the petals to uncurl and reveal their beautiful colors. The flower is finally ready to open up and greet the world. And you know what? Sometimes the flower doesn't open up all at once. Instead, it might open up in stages, revealing a little more of its petals each day. This way, the flower can avoid being damaged by strong winds or heavy rain. While it's still getting ready, it's like a little game of peekaboo, but with petals instead of faces. Now that the flower has bloomed, it's time for the next step in its amazing journey. Step 3. Showing off those colors. You've probably noticed that flowers come in all sorts of colors, from the softest pastels to the brightest hues. But why do you think flowers have different colors? Well, the colors are there for a secret reason. You see, many flowers rely on insects like bees and butterflies to help them make more flowers. These insects are attracted to the flower's color, So the brighter and more vibrant the petals, the easier it is for them to spot. It's like having a neon sign that says, "Hey, come and visit." Once the insects land on the flower to collect pollen, they accidentally pick up some pollen on their furry body. Then when they fly off to find another flower to visit, some of that pollen falls off, helping to make more flowers. So thanks to their cool colors, flowers get to make more flowers, and we get to enjoy their beauty for longer. Step 4. Keeping cool in the sun. Now, we all know that flowers love to soak up the sun. But did you know they also have ways to keep themselves cool? You see, when flowers open up during the day, they can get pretty hot. After all, they're hanging out in the blazing sun. But that's not a problem for these clever blooms. You see, flowers have some nifty tricks to keep from wilting in the heat. First, some flowers have a special trick up their sleeves, or petals, I should say. They can actually close up during the hottest parts of the day, taking a little siesta to stay cool and prevent wilting. It's like having your own air conditioner built into your petals. How cool is that? Other flowers have a trick that involves their leaves. Their leaves act like umbrellas, providing shade for the flower and keeping it nice and comfy in the shade. It's like having your own personal bodyguard that shields you from the scorching sun. With these awesome adaptations, flowers can stay cool and continue to flourish even in the hottest weather. Step 5. Time for bed. As the sun begins its journey down the horizon, casting long shadows on the ground, it's time for the flowers to get ready for bed. You see, flowers are like little night owls who like to sleep during the day and party at night. Just kidding. They don't really party, but they do have a nighttime routine, just like us. As the temperature drops and the darkness creeps in, flowers start to feel the change. Their internal clocks tell them it's time to wind down, and their petals begin to droop, preparing for a restful night's sleep. It's like they're yawning and stretching before snuggling into their cozy beds. Some flowers close their petals tightly, creating a protective shell that keeps them safe during the night. Others curl up into tight little buds, hiding away until the morning light. And you know what? Sleeping at night isn't just for staying safe. It's also a smart way for flowers to conserve water. You see, at night there's less chance of water evaporating from their leaves and petals, so they can sleep soundly knowing they're staying hydrated. And that's the end of the amazing journey from bud to bloom. Each step is a testament to the incredible power of nature and the wonders that unfold right before our eyes every day. Now that you know how flowers go from tiny buds to beautiful blooms, I have a question for you. What's your favorite type of flower and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about the flowers you adore. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures in the world of nature. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep nurturing your love for the great outdoors. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and always remember you are part of something bigger than yourself.